What's going on, everybody? I'm Sean with Z1 Motorsports, and today we're presenting you with a brand new product, something that we've had in the works for quite some time now, the high clearance control arms for the 350Z G35 chassis for your drifting application. So these control arms, they are for the drifting applications, more specifically to be paired with our bolt-on angle kit solution. They are high clearance to allow for maximum capability of the bolt-on angle kit. The high clearance comes from this shape in here, and with it not being this arm, as you would see it in the car, this would bolt where the subframe is, this would bolt where the knuckle is, and then this will take place of the compression rod. So the compression rod being up over here, it's over here on the arm, to just kind of get that arm all the way out the way and allow the wheel to turn fully. I believe pairing this with the angle kit allows you somewhere just over 60 degrees of lock. They are forged steel in construction. The heim joints are the same high quality heim joints that you're familiar with from the rest of our kit. There is an adjustable bump stop here for, maybe while these are high clearance, you may end up running into another issue with like your tires touching the fender liner, or you got the barrel of the wheel touching this, that, or the other. There's a little adjustable bump stop here for you, so you can kind of prevent that while still getting maximum lock. Each double adjuster has a little clamp lock there and jam nut there. Sway bar mount is going to be billet aluminum, a little kind of two-piece design. This makes it much easier for install and removal. You just kind of unbolt this guy on both sides, lift sway bar out the way, do whatever you need to do, swing it back down, bolt it back down, and then you're done. You don't even got to mess with this big one right here. Upgraded urethane shock mount bushing, works great. I've been driving on this kit for probably 2 years now, and I have nothing to complain about other than I am going through tires at an increased rate.
Yo, all I gotta say is Spaghetti Earl was out of work for a whole week. He took a vacation. This man comes back, still on vacation, takes the drift car out, and absolutely rocks it with these things. That's all I know. That's all I gotta say.
So I've been rocking this kit for about 2 years now. It's been great. It's fantastic. Having all that lock is so much fun. You will see that there's no trickery. There's no weird science going on. There's no change in steering geometry. These arms just allow for maximum clearance, letting the kit do its thing when you're going drifting around lock to lock and whatnot. These arms allow for fine tuning the camber and caster adjustment. So at a base level, these are 25 millimeters longer. Even at their shortest, they are still 25 millimeters longer than the factory lower control arm, which means it'll add a little bit of static negative camber, which in drifting applications, that's what you'll want. The contact patch will be reduced while you're going straight, but when you're full lock, it'll be almost zero, which is what you'll want. That's how you keep the front tires alive throughout the season. And then caster, which is going to be, self-steer when you're drifting, how easily the wheel moves as you're going side to side. That'll be made over here where the compression rod bolted normally. Haven't really found the limit of what these arms are capable of. Love giving ride-alongs to people because I like showing people what the capabilities are of the car with all the Z1 products that are on it. If you ever see us out at drift events, come get a ride-along, come check it out, see how crazy it is to be going whatever ungodly speed sideways. It's a good solution for anybody who's trying to, add a little bit more angle to their car without having to do a bunch of cutting, grinding, or welding, or whatever you might need to do with other kits. These arms are great. You guys can check them out in the link in the description, or you can shop now at z1motorsports.com.